Okay, so this is exponential probability. So we are going to use the formula for exponential probability is 1 minus e raised to the negative a lambda, where lambda, that little sign right here, equals 1 divided by mu, which is the mean. And so first we're going to get lambda, and then we're going to plug in lambda, and then a is just going to be your probability value. And then once we get our answer, we're going to round to 4 decimal places. So the best way for me to show you right now is in Excel. And so we are looking for the probability that x is less than or equal to 7. So a is going to be 7. But we need to know the mean, and it is 10 minutes per customer. So first we're going to figure out what lambda is, which is going to be 1 divided by 10, which is 0.1. Now we're going to plug in 1 minus e, and it's going to be exp raised to the negative a, which is a is 7 here. Yes, 7 times lambda, which is 0.1. So the probability is 0.5034. Okay, and then the next one we'll do it 17. So lambda is still 0.1, but this time instead of 7, we're going to put in 17 there. And this time it would be 0.8173. Okay, so just let me know if you have any more questions. The best way to do these would be to use the e function in Excel.